Layers of the Earth by Camille Taub. Journey to the Center of the Earth was a book written in 1864 by Jules Verne. In 1864, Jules Verne didn't know much about the center of the Earth, so there had to be many corrections made on his movie and book. He did not know there was no such thing as giant man-eating salamanders. The crust is the outer layer of the Earth. The next layer of the Earth is called the mantle. The next two layers are called the outer and inner core. The crust is the least dense of the three layers of the Earth because there is less pressure. The inner core is made out of iron because iron is the most dense material, and the inner core has the most pressure, so the iron is a solid. Convection is something that makes the material in the lower mantle heat up and then lets the material cool down in the upper section of the crust. The plume and mantle material must expand and rise in order for the crust to cool down. Seismic waves are vibrations that travel through all the layers of the Earth. Primary waves are forward and backward motion. They can travel at 5 kilometers a second. P waves can travel through liquids, solids, and gases. Secondary waves are side-to-side motions that move 3 kilometers a second. Secondary waves cannot travel through liquids. The most dense material in the chart on the upper left corner is iron. Iron is located in the inner core because it is the most dense material. Density also matters if you are trying to make something float. If the material is more dense, it tends to sink. If the material is less dense, it tends to float. The materials that help me gather this information are the Earth Science textbook, the study papers, Google Images, Mr. C's advice, and Journey to the Center of the Earth labs.